guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and my blog is called Balancia that you can follow on my Instagram handle. My today's video is a skincare video where I'm going to be showing you on my updated skincare routine. Now for those who don't follow a skincare routine, this is a must watch video for you because you have to follow a skincare routine in order to have really good looking skin and always improve your skin, repair your skin and make it look the best all the time. And for those who already have a skincare routine, this is my updated version of a skincare routine of things that I do in the morning and in the night just to make my skin look at the best again at all times. So if you are someone who's interested in knowing what a skincare routine should be or what my updated skincare routine is, please do continue watching this video. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So a morning skincare routine is always a little different from an evening skincare routine or a night skincare routine. It's especially because the kind of products we use, the ingredients that we use, the consistencies of the products we use are really different for morning and night. The way they affect on our skin, the way they kind of repair our skin and do their magic on our skin. So first I'm going to start with my morning skincare routine and let me give you a short review on what that exactly is. The first thing that everyone knows to start your skincare is using your toner. So this is a DIY toner that I use that is made of aloe vera gel and coconut oil. I really put this really well into my skin, massage it really well, make sure I've touched upon all parts of my face. I then go into my vitamin C water. Now this is not really a serum, but it is a really thin consistency of vitamin C water, which really repairs my skin internally and externally and gives me a really nice flush. My next step instead of a moisturizer is this cold pressed coconut oil. This is by Conscious Food Company. Basically I take a little bit of it in my palm, I rub it really well, give it that heat and then just massage it all over my face really well. So this regulates my blood circulation and coconut oil is just something that suits my face really well. And then the last step is my sunscreen. This I take a generous amount in my palms and again I run over in my entire face. As you can see, my face is already looking so fresh and glowing and ready for the day. So this is just the basics that you must follow. And then of course an eye cream that I don't leave out at all. I have done a video on how to use an eye cream and this is how you should be using it. Follow the video to see, but an eye cream is an essential for me always. While that was my morning skincare routine, one thing that is common between both my routines is this treatment. So every time I start my skincare routine, the first thing that I do is I take this Parachute coconut oil and I massage my face really well with it for a good 1 minute. So all the blood circulation regulates in my face and it really gives me that glow. And then I go with my facial cleanser. So the one that I'm using here is the Clinique Anti-Blemish Solutions. Now this is the one that is really good for people who have acne prone skin, and I have an acne prone skin, so this works really well for me. Now once I have done with my cleansing for my nighttime skincare routine, I first take an ice cube and I rub it really well all around my face. This is because it really again regulates the blood circulation in my face and it really kind of promotes my face to glow. It makes the pores really minimize, make it really small and really gives my face a very nice. Once I'm done with my ice treatment, I let it just air dry, let all the coldness and the water from the ice just air dry and seep into my skin. I next go with this DIY serum which I have made out of rose water, aloe vera, glycerine and coconut oil. Now this is something that I have been using for months now and it really works on my skin extremely well and it regenerates my skin so well that next day when I wake up it's really like fresh and ready to go for the day. So that's what I use as my night serum. I also use this eye cream, the Biotique eye cream that I have very recently used in my video as well on how to apply an eye cream. So this is the eye cream that I use. Once I am done with this, I use a spoon. If you have a ice roller, you can definitely use the ice roller, but since I don't have an ice roller, I keep the spoon in the freezer for a good 10-15 minutes and once I have my serum on, I just kind of massage my face with the spoon again for a good 1 minute so that the whole blood circulation is regulated and I get the natural glow that we always attain from any kind of ice roller or any kind of massaging tool. Once I am done with that, I then go with my lip scrub. So this is the one by Daughters of the Soil. It's a very new brand and it's a homemade brand. So this is the lip scrub that I use. Again, I brush it really well onto my lips and then with a towel I just kind of remove away all the scrub. So this really exfoliates my lips, removes all the dead skin cells and really smoothens it out, gives it a pink effect and looks very nice. Then I go with my Vaseline. Now this is a nighttime ritual that I have been following for very long and it's very effective. So what I do with the Vaseline is I take a little bit on my finger, I put it on my eyelashes so that my eyelashes are really well treated, and I also put it on my lips because all the roughness of the exfoliation can then be smoothened out by this Vaseline. So Vaseline again is a very important part of my nighttime skincare routine. And then to end it all, I have this hand cream. This is by Palmer's. So it's really smells good. It's a raw shea scented cream, and I've applied this just before I'm going to bed because this really gives me better sleep. The smell is so good that I automatically fall asleep really peacefully and wake up directly in the morning with no disturbance. So this was my entire nighttime skincare routine. It's very extensive as compared to my morning skincare routine which just had 4 steps. This is much more extensive because your nighttime routine is extremely important. Your skin is repairing itself the most in the nighttime, and that's why all the products work the best in the nighttime itself. Of course, a daytime routine is important, but nighttime is when your skin really takes the time to take in everything and really repair itself. So this was my updated skincare routine. If you all don't have a routine, I hope this kind of said something for you all. If you all have a routine, I hope this gave you all some few more tips and tricks that you all can use to give yourself a really good looking skin. And again, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all are still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video, and I'll be back with another very soon. Till then, bye bye.